and you talk about the things that matter to Americans. So our thanks to Senator Kirsten Gillibrand.
Monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Woman breaking barriers at the top of a Fortune 500 company. After this.
Senator.
Your skin isn't just skin. It's a beautiful reflection of everything you've been through.